In this video, I will show you how to quickly and easily check the current Bitcoin transaction fees. And to do that, you simply go to the website mempool.space. Once you're here, we can see the Bitcoin blockchain up here. We can see on the right side, these are all the blocks that are already included in the blockchain. On the left side, we can see the blocks that are still waiting to be confirmed, which means to be included inside of the blockchain. Down here, you can see the current transaction fees. You can see there are different fees because depending on the priority, so if you want your transaction to be confirmed as quickly as possible, you need to set a higher transaction fee, of course. And the lower you put the transaction fee, the further here on the left, the transaction will be placed in one of these blocks, and the longer you have to wait until your transaction will be confirmed. You can see the transaction fee down here is shown as Satoshis per VByte. The reason for that is that Bitcoin transaction can have different sizes. So if you have a very complex transactions with many inputs and outputs, the transaction, of course, will take up more space inside of one of these blocks. And therefore, you have to set a higher transaction fee for that. And if you have a very simple transaction with only one input and one output, it doesn't take up much space, so you can set a lower transaction fee and it will still be included inside of one of the next blocks. So that's why the transaction fees here are shown as Satoshis per VByte. A typical transaction, as you can also see right here, has a size of around about 140 virtual bytes. So that would mean around about $1 of a transaction fee if you want your transaction to be included inside of the next block. You can set these fee rates, so the Satoshis per VByte, inside of your wallet. So depending from which wallet you're sending your Bitcoin, you will definitely have the option to set this fee rate. And if you just set it to one of those right here, you're making sure that your transaction will be confirmed fast. So that's pretty much already it. If you're looking for the best place to buy or trade crypto, make sure to check out the links down in the video description. And if you have any other questions, feel free to ask them in the comments.